Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna Classic right now, we have officially broken that 26 level. I mentioned to you guys yesterday that this is probably going to end up being a slow bleed because of the fact that we were making lower lows and a continuation pattern probably down to this support level. I expect in the next few days a massive move to the downside, probably retesting this 22 to the 18 mark down here because of the fact that this was a very large BART formation. Now, there's two things to keep in mind. Number one is, of course, if we do test this level, we might see a possible bounce, or we might see a manipulation wick within the next few days to grab that liquidity up at the top around the 27 and then a rejection, because of course there's going to be a lot of traders that are over leveraged on these short positions right now because they're all looking at the same support level to be eyeing. Right now we have to make sure that we get the proper entry. So as you guys can see on Luna Classic on the lower time frames and right now on the 4-hour, we are rejecting the exponential moving averages. You can see that we tried to break above those exponential moving averages multiple times, but we were rejected and we just pretty much just broke each support slowly. This wasn't a massive move to the downside. This was a pretty much slow bleed. You can see that every time we hit those exponential moving averages on the 4 hours, we're slowly gradually just coming down. This usually happens when there isn't much volume, or there's the fact that obviously the price is being manipulated. So whether or not we will see that 22 hold is going to be the question. Ideally, if we do see a test to that 22 level, I would be looking for a 3-test bounce formation and then the continuation to that 29. Of course, from the bullish case scenario, if we can get above that 29 and then consolidate, that would be extremely good. Now on the RSI, we are pretty much oversold, so this is also something to keep in mind, that if you are looking to enter at a short position here, just keep that in mind, that this might be a manipulation wick to the upside before we finally get that confirmation down. Any position, of course, as long as there's a wick all the way up, that would be a great area to actually enter a short position, as long as you don't get a candle close and start to bounce off those exponential moving averages. Now on the lower time frames for Luna, you can see on the hourly, we tried to break above those exponential moving averages once more to around the 25 mark, but we were rejected from the previous support line. You guys can see exactly how perfect this is playing out. First, we broke that 27 level and that 25 level that I kept mentioning will probably end up breaking, and we started to see a rejection panel, So let me go ahead and show you guys right here. You can see that once we broke that support level here at 27, we tried to retest that level multiple times. We failed. We consolidated below. Then I mentioned the 25 level is going to be an extremely good support line for possibly looking for long positions, and once again we had the fake out, we saw the rejection, and then we broke again. So now we're trading at the 24 to the 23 mark, and I probably bet that this is probably going to end up going down to the 22 support line, and then we see a very large push, if that's going to happen. Of course, if we do see a break of this formation and break that support level and continue pushing lower, I would be looking for that consolidation underneath that support line and then a continuation downwards. You want to be very careful of entering a short here on support line, because of course the fact that we will be oversold on pretty much most of the timelines, and the fact that this is a major support level for Luna Classic. We could expect a wick going all the way down and then a quick buy up like a V-shaped formation that we've seen on other pairs, so just keep that in mind when you are trading. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.